All right, welcome to our life
In
in
the
the
Philippines.
Philippines. I got my wife back riding with me again today,
Yeah.
and we have been up in the CDC grounds part. Uh, there are several names for it, but CDC, I call it the CDC grounds. I think that's the official name nowadays. And we're going to take a little different route home today. And we are going by what is it called? D Heights?
Yeah, the Heights Clark Casino.
Yeah, D Heights Clark Casino. It is a new development inside Clark,
Yeah.
and I think even Hilton, Clarkson Valley Resort is there. So Hilton has some investments there and all that. And it is a pretty, it's right in here to the left. You can't really see it because of the wall and everything. Tried to go there one day and do a vlog and the set, you're not allowed in here. So we'll see. But one of these days, we'll get in there and get it done. But anyway, up here, straight ahead, the mountain up there. That's where you have, and to the left up there on the mountain, you have a 9-hole, or is it
Golf.
two 9-hole golf courses,
Yeah.
right? And that's built by some Koreans. You also have the Handuan Falls up
Yeah.
in that mountain area. So
North
we
Bridge.
yeah, Handuan Bridge. We got a couple of videos of that. But if you go up there, you can hike up to the waterfalls. It is apparently a pretty nice place, and
Yeah.
we're gonna go there one of these days.
We're just stuck on the pandemic.
Yeah, the pandemic is like killing us at this point.
That's true.
Can't we don't have the freedoms we once had, and it makes it difficult. Another thing, do you notice, hon, is how many bicycles are on the road?
Yeah.
You see bicycles everywhere now,
Yeah.
and they are becoming what? A pain in the bee, right?
Yeah. And in the beach.
Pain in the bee, because um, they have their own traffic rules.
Yes.
In here, to the left, you have what is it called? Where the guy lived?
Like a residence.
No,
Or just a military or something.
no, 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 not military.
I don't know.
You know, what is it called?
Upward.
Again, me and name don't work. So
The Porton.
no, no,
It's
no.
nearby the subdivision.
Here we go, right here,
Yeah.
Fontana.
Yeah.
All right.
We've been there many times.
We've been in there many times. We know some people who had homes and other things in there. Very nice. Big homes.
Yeah, it's like a palace.
7 bedroom, 8 bedroom, 9 bedroom,
Yeah.
8 bathrooms,
Big swimming pool.
big swimming pools. It's a nice little area. But anyway, we are well, as you see, we are in Clark still. And
I think on the right side is just like a hotel.
oh, you mean on the left side?
Yeah, oh no, left side. I
Yeah.
mean, left side, sorry.
Yeah, there's a hotel, casino.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit of them. Hotel casinos up here, but but they're all suffering. I know there was inside Fontana.
Yeah.
There was a hotel casino, and I
Yeah,
believe,
there is.
I believe they're closed now. They're done.
Yeah.
So
So on the right side, there's a Marriott.
Marriott is up
Marriott.
there, right? It's actually right ahead of us there.
Yeah.
I think that's a Marriott.
Behind this on the left side.
Right. But it's an unbelievable development.
Yeah.
Despite the pandemic, where literally millions of people has lost their job, infrastructure development continues. It keeps going on. It's crazy. So what time is it now? About 5:36.
Yeah. Something like that.
We have done a little walk in the park again, and we're heading back home. And you're probably going to see a little bit of, what do you call it? Nightfall,
Yeah.
or sun is going down and it's getting dark.
Now it's gold, green color. It's gold, right?
Yeah, yeah, it means go. It is pretty cool up here, though. Right now, around this time, to me, it looks like more traffic than usual because everybody's coming out of work. There's a lot of, I call them kids. They're in their 20s. They work in the call centers and stuff, and they are just now coming out of the call centers.
Yeah.
All right, what do we got here to the left? I don't know, Moto or whatever it's called. I think this is another hotel casino,
Yes.
and I don't know, who's gonna play in all these casinos. I mean, who?
Those have a businessman, CEO, or some rich people that do.
Yeah, but it's just not there. You see the buildings here to the left. We just passed them. They've just been developed.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are, waiting for the light. All right, there we go. I cut a little bit of that out. It's kind of boring, sitting waiting at the light.
Is that the third stoplight we passed?
Yeah, it's
The third one.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4 stoplight. And there's more stoplights on this road than in the entire Angeles combined.
Yeah.
Because as far as I know, there's no stoplights in Angeles.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there's no-
there's a couple of them going down MacArthur towards what do you call it? San Fernando.
Oh, okay.
But look, guys, how many bikes are out.
It's,
Everybody's home,
Yeah, it's time to
on
go.
their way home from work, and people work, and that's a good thing.
A lot of motorcycle.
Yeah, I'm surprised actually, but
Motorcycle
it is.
is the you can say it's the best way to use on transportation.
Yeah, well, it's easy, it's quick, it's easier to get back and forth. Alright, oh shoot, he's stopping. Everybody else was going. And a couple of people were running the red light here.
Yeah.
It's crazy. But anyway, that's where we're at today.
Mm-hmm.
So, This is the main road leading down to the main gate. And pay close attention. Look to the left, and you see the asphalt, and it starts right here.
Yeah.
It is smooth like a baby's butt. And they concreted it, gotta be years ago. But now, during COVID, when nobody is allowed to be out, they actually paved it and made it real smooth. And it's a pretty good road. But it was a nice day, nice exercise. Just walking around in the park a little bit. Let's put it this way, moving around a little bit more than normal,
Yeah.
right?
We just move our butt.
Move our butt. All right, to the left you have the Clark International Airport. Most of you guys know it, but look at all this traffic. It's just unbelievable.
On this side, on the right side, is going to Friendship Gate.
Yeah, the right hand lane there is going into Friendship Gate. But look at the road. I mean, if you look at it right here, it is very smooth,
Very
and
nice.
you can tell it's just like very smooth. It has just been resurfaced, I would say 5 months ago, 4 months ago, something like that. All right, come on, boys and girls, let's move.
It's a lot of
Well,
motorcycle.
it's a lot of traffic, so we better be careful. They a lot of, especially motorcycles, they're very unpredictable. They pretty much don't know what turn lights mean. They're either flashing the turn light permanently right or left, or they don't use it at all. So you got to be careful.
You are a Filipino driver now.
Nowadays,
You just
after
learn-
7 years,
You
yeah.
just learn the tricks to be a
Look.
Filipino driver.
I don't know if there's a trick to it, but you got to learn. How should I say this? You got to learn to be predictable of the unpredictability. It is people are very unpredictable here in traffic. It's right, left, they fly right through. You saw that guy, look how he's flying through the traffic, right, left, and so on. Not uncommon here. I had a guy, he almost hit my handlebar, passing me on the right hand side lane the other day, and you know, sometimes I wish I could put my foot out and flip them over. Yeah, but that's true though. It's crazy how to drive. Some other drivers, most drivers actually, are very considerate and stuff, but there is some absolute complete insane morons out there
No common
in
sense.
traffic. Yeah, well, no comments from here on. Okay, we are coming up to the last traffic light right here. Here to the right, they're building another huge building. I think that might be a parking terminal. I'm not quite sure, but it looks, because it has In the center of the building, it has like ramps going up and down. Looks like a parking area. Well, that was a ride through Clark, and we are passing the Clark main gate at this point, and we are going to sign off. What I want to say is every Wednesday evening, Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern, we are on live with a panel. If you want to come on live, interact with us, you can do so. We advertise that, so hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you will be notified. And you're welcome to come in on the show, interact with us. You can come on StreamYard, or if you simply want to be somebody who comments,
Yeah.
it's fine.
And also, guys, please visit my YouTube channel, What's Up Manap TV. Oh, sorry. Bless
Oh.
you. Bless
Oh,
you.
what happened? All right, it's live TV, guys.
Yeah.
I'm sneezing. All right, here's the first light. Perimeter Road to the right. SM to the left. Going straight down. We're hitting the park. What's the name of the park? Astro Park. And Station 4.
Yeah,
Police Station 4 in Angeles City. And we're done. We'll see you on our live feed Wednesday evening, 8 p.m. and also Thursday morning for you guys that are here in the Philippines at 8 a.m. God bless, and you take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.